So, firstly, I would like to thank you, sir, for taking time for Edu Talks. So, since all the students in India are still under lockdown, we understand that the education sector in India has been hit the hardest. So, we would want to know the measures that the schools under Angel Group has taken to keep up with the academics and the administrative work, sir. So, currently, how are you assessing the students now?
So you must be knowing that due to this COVID situation, our students are facing lots of problems. Not only our students, almost all the students in the schools are facing problems, and most of the schools they are coming up with their own homegrown methods. Like some are using video conferencing techniques to conduct examinations. Some are using multiple test questions. So what we have done in our school is that we have used a combination of both video conferencing, and also since we have our partners with Wasm applications. So what we have done is we have used both of these technologies to create a combined solution where the students can give their examinations on MCQ sheets, and the teachers can help them during the examinations in a way that the teachers will be able to monitor the students. Like some of the students may have any problems like regarding they will not understand the questions. So with the combination of video conferencing like Zoom classes and live classes along with this awesome applications, we have made a combination so that it is easy for the students to appear for the examinations.
So also like we know that the pandemic has affected a lot of admissions in schools as well. So how
That
has it
is true.
affected the new admissions, sir?
uh, like most of the parents who were repeating they were going to take readmission, there is a constant fear among the parents whether the classes will go on or not, or whether the teachers will be able to provide classes to the students, especially the smaller kids who are very risk. They are at the most risk for coming to the schools. So that way I would say that we have like received around 10 to 15% of this thing fall in admissions. But let's hope for the best, and as we have got our institutions from a very long time, so what we have done is that we are planning different kind of technologies to cope up with this COVID situation. And we are providing as much as we can from our side so that the parents and the students can learn through this pandemic times. So that is what we are.
So also like regarding new admission, so generally, we understand that for new students, it's difficult to mingle around with the existing students on the first day. It takes time to get comfortable with the teachers as well. So is how are we handling that in Angel Group, sir?
This thing is actually very difficult, like from a school owner's point of view, because see, right now we are not having any classrooms. So
Okay.
whatever transaction, whatever learning transaction is going on, it is going on through the digital platforms like Zoom and Wasm and all those kind of things like Google Meet, etc. So there is very limited scope for the students to actually get to know each other, because uh, like they can talk to each other, they can become friends while they are in a classroom situation. But because of these social distancing measures, we are currently not able to do that. So we are doing this kind of some kind of activity classes in the online platforms. Like the teachers are taking the classes in the Zoom app, and like they are giving some kind of activities to all the logged in students, and they are trying to solve in a collaborative manner. So
So, sir, do you think that the pandemic might take a toll on the interpersonal skills, on developing the interpersonal skills of the students?
um, I don't think so, but it will create a hindrance, what I can see. But I don't think it will create a problem for the interpersonal relationships between the students. Yeah, they may be like somewhat they may be lacking in communication right now, but I think we should hope for the best. And since the government is saying that a vaccine may be coming soon, so let's hope for the best and see what we can do.
And so lastly,
Hmm.
so we all know that the transition from the offline platform to the online platform has been a big task for the
Very
schools.
difficult, yeah.
So what kind of difficulties did you face, and like how did you try to overcome those difficulties?
Firstly, the most difficult situation was to get over the fact that we are not being able to run the school on a day-to-day basis, and because of this social distancing, we had to get the grip that okay, now we have to finally do something to, like, since there's nobody will come to the school, so that we have finally accepted the fact, and now. Uh, what we are doing is we have created these kind of classrooms solutions, like again, as I told you, these Zoom classes and all that. So this way we are trying to communicate with the parents. And also one more thing was that there was a lack of I mean, it was not a lack of communication. There was like people are resistant to change, no? So people do not want to go and change into something else. So this basically the teachers, they cooperated with us a lot of them cooperated with us, but they also had some kind of difficulty adjusting to the new way of teaching. So that I can say was a hindrance, but other than that everything was smooth.
So how about training the teachers, like using the Zoom platform or probably some new kind of software that you're using? Do you think
Uh,
that was a problem?
See, before the lockdown, our teachers were already trained in like video classes and all that, and also the Zoom, also the Wasm platform that we have going on. So our parents and teachers were already trained with most of the online platforms. So we just had to put it into action. So that is what we were trying to do, and that is what we did.
Thank you so much for your time, sir. And
Sure.
so anything for me?
So I would like to thank you for conducting this interview. Actually, what
But
have you guys planned ahead?
so as a company in Wasm, we are
Hmm.
definitely trying out to get new features and new modules. You'll definitely
Hmm.
hear about it. So
Hmm.
currently we have launched WOMI. We have not launched, it's still in beta phase, sir. So where we have introduced competitions and new courses for the children. So sir, like I asked you, like will it impact the interpersonal skills?
Hmm.
So this is one thing that we believe that this might have some impact. So that's why we have come
No,
up
but
with courses.
but you
Like,
also agree that the interpersonal skills have been hindrance a bit due
yes,
to
sir,
this.
definitely,
Due to
sir.
this.
What we've done in WOMI, we've introduced new courses, sir. So we have
Hmm.
come up with public speaking, management, then memory magic, and so we are introducing these new courses to help the students get skills that is much more than just theory, sir.
Hmm.
So this is something that we as a company are planning to help the
Okay.
children overcome the
Okay.
pandemic. So we have
Okay.
also introduced competitions as well, where we encourage the students to be active, keep
Hmm.
learning new skills so that they can also participate and see where they are placed. If you go in our app, there's a section called
Hmm.
WOMI, where
Hmm.
you can see that all the courses and the competitions are already listed, sir. So
Okay.
anyone who's already
Okay.
part of WASM can use it. And also, we've created a new website, sir, called
Okay.
WOMI.com, where all the competitions and all the courses are listed. Okay, sir. Thank you so much for your time, sir.
Thank you.
Hopefully,
Thank you,
stay
Annapurna.
safe.